everybody! Happy Saturday! Today is Aaron's day. We're gonna have our haircut. Let's see the podium. We're on our way. It's a rainy day. Oh, super lakas. No, not super. Mulan lang. Mulan lang. Umuulan. Umuulan sa Manila, hindi ka pa ba umuwi? Oh, how much is this, love? This is $2.90. Then we also got the bestseller from the Kind Cookie. This is Vampire for 130 pesos. Sa bahay na namin siya kakainin kasi we
like it warm.
Oo. Tingin namin mas better siya ng warm.
Yay!
Faces!
Seryoso yung mukha mo.
It's good, pero parang kalasa lang nung ginagawa mo.
Pwede kaming kramatita. It's an attempt to start our vlog again.
We're trying LBA Aqua Farm. It's an only oyster here in Malolos, Bulacan. So, itour ko kayo, guys. Pagkaway.
Pagkaway pa.
Here's the menu.
What's this?
So ito, for you to avail the 99 pesos only oyster, you have to mag-order yung ganyan. Pause nyo na
Have a la
lang.
carte menus then.
Yeah, they have a la carte menus if ayaw nyo ng only oyster. So, hindi siya pwede for mga allergic. Well, pwede naman mag-antihistamine na lang. Sabi How many oysters can you eat? 50! 50! Ako, 100!
I can only eat 20.
20.
0.
How about you?
I
0.
have chicken.
Mama.
50.
50. Okay, team 50.
I'll buy the grill.
This is the platter. Good for 3 pounds. Kasi ang
Already
boys.
removing my plain rice.
Chili garlic is included. Vinegar. And here's the oyster. So, pinapakuluan siya guys. Hindi siya super raw talaga. And then, nakaabang na ang refill bucket. Let's see kung maka-50. Makasugat-sugat na yung kamay lang.
But my hands
The
are
oyster now. Here's the damage. Boss, Simon. Ay, not Simon, but it's good. Their Cajun sauce is good. And for Mama, fresh daw ang seafood. Sariling sikap nga lang dito, guys.
You have to find a way to open it.
Yeah.
Like you have to cut the middle of it, am I right? Huh? Tita Mia already opened it. Some of it already open, di ba?
Ano ba to, eh?
It's hollow in the inside. It's hollow. What?
Struggle is real. Hindi kami marunong.
Hollow talaga in the inside.
Saan?
Use a fork.
Saan ang open eh?
Pull it open.
Yeah, it's so big. Oh yeah, it's so big.
You know, the juice is already coming out. Open the shell.
Oh, you try to vlog. Don't move na. Ganyan lang, ganyan lang. It's okay.
Ooh, that's big.
Yeah, it's big.
Is it nice?
Grabe yung sakit lang niya sa kamay. Ano kami maka 100 neto. Guys.
25. 26. 27.
We're done. It's good. It's a must try.
Why?
Here in
Ouch.
Malolos, LBA. In Malolos, Bulacan. How's your experience? For me, it's good, pero mahirap lang talaga buksan. Parang nabugbog yung daliri ko kakatusok ng knife. Pero, worth it naman. Yeah, it's cheap. Versus, sa 50 peso per oyster in BGC.
You have to do something. Get out.
Jet lag. May jet lag siya.
Ay, na-achieve naman tayo today. It's the
Natauhan kami na.
decision to stay. Brixton.
Hindi pala for us ang bahay. Yeah, story time. So, prior sa Andy Oyster na pinuntahan namin, nag-house, ano tawag doon? House viewing kami in Malolos. Ay, in Baliwag. Baliwag, Bulacan. Kasi nga feel ko parang gusto ko ng bahay. I'm a bahay person kaysa sa condo.
And she says she likes to be in the province daw. Tapos nang when we were there na nakita mo na parang alayo niya sa Kabihasnan. Nag-iba yung isip mo.
Hindi, kasi parang hindi rin homey going there, or hindi ko sure. Kasi pag alis pa lang namin ng bahay, super traffic na. Ang dami na nangyayari. Tapos, along the way, ang daming trucks. Well, wala namang aberya. Okay naman siya. Pero, hindi ko lang na-feel na homey yung place. Siguro kasi, walang puno. Hindi mapuno. If you're familiar, guys, binisit namin yung sa Seria by Via Land. And then, yun pa nga, akala namin in TikTok, sa TikTok ko namin siya nakikita, ang laki-laki ng bahay, ganun. Pero, pagdating namin dun, ang liit lang pala niya. Well, not for anything, pero hindi lang siya yung ine-expect namin from the TikTok post na nakita namin.
The aesthetic sana, no? Pero, yeah, parang it's not worth it.
Kaya, ang layo talaga niya, guys. Kesa, tas mga, ayun, kinakonsider ko pa kasi yung dalawang boys na mama, ganun, going to school. Tas 5 minutes away siya ng nakasasakyan. Ayun.
Tas parang, pag doon ka nakatira, kailangan mo talaga nakasasakyan ka.
Yeah. Hindi basta-basta. Madala nga ang ano.
Tas grabe yung traffic kasi ang daming truck.
Super traffic, guys. So, depende sa inyo kung ano. Depende, I think, yun sa preference nyo. Pero, it's not for me. Doon ko na-realize na it's not for me. That place, I think. Baka naman.
Tapos kasi ikaw, you like everything to be accessible. Doon parang, ang hirap lumabas ng bahay.
Malalayo. Malalayo talaga. So, yun. Yun lang naman ang araw natin today. So,
we're gonna live in a condo for the next...
So, yun. Magpapa-pest control na kami. Kasi, infested kami ng cockroach. Yeah, and keeping the condo for now. Mag-viewing pa kami sa Davao. We'll be in Davao this a week from now. Davao, a week from now. 2 weeks from now. Yeah, last weekend of this month. Yun lang naman. Okay. Tomorrow. See ya, guys.
Pero hindi naman maanghang na pork. Like, you're in Korea. Sabi, matagin na
We're done. Ito na. Boss. The best side dish ever. For me. Best kimchi. Maybe try this. Kano? I-like niyo yung YouTube namin kung masarap. Pero mahal yun eh. Pero mabait. Ano dapat pag para makamuha?
1 kilo, 1,000 yung pinipili mo na coconut.
Going home. Boosh!